Greetings, everyone. Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your one-stop channel for all things finance and property related. We're here to share insights and tips on smart financial decisions and property investments that can transform your life. If you want to take charge of your financial future and navigate the property market with ease, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today, we'll be discussing an interesting topic: 10 things to do with $1,000. So, stay tuned. First on our list is paying off your debts. Now, this may not seem like the most glamorous way to spend $1,000, but hear me out. Clearing your debts is an investment in your future. Each dollar you put towards reducing your debt is a dollar you're not spending on interest. Over time, this can save you a significant amount of money. Moreover, being in debt often feels like a heavy burden, doesn't it? It can be a constant source of stress and worry. But imagine the sense of relief and financial freedom you'd feel if that debt was gone. You'd have more money to save, invest, or spend on things you enjoy. And here's another thing. Once you're out of debt, you're more attractive to lenders. This could open doors to better financial opportunities in the future. So consider using part of your $1,000 to pay off your debts. It's a step towards financial independence. Remember, a debt-free life is a stress-free life. Next up, consider investing in stocks. The stock market is a marketplace where buyers and sellers trade shares of publicly held companies. Each share represents a piece of ownership in a company, and when you buy shares, you're buying a small part of that company. The beauty of stock investments is that they can offer substantial returns over time. But remember, the stock market isn't a guaranteed money-making machine. It's essential to research, understand the company you're investing in, and consider your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with potential losses for the chance of higher returns? Or do you prefer a more conservative approach? These are important questions to ask yourself before jumping in. It's also worth considering getting advice from a financial advisor or using an online brokerage platform that offers educational resources for new investors. Investing in stocks can be a great way to grow your wealth if done wisely. Our third suggestion is to start a side business. Now, you might be wondering, why start a side business? Well, there are plenty of reasons. A side business can create an additional income stream, provide a creative outlet, or even serve as a stepping stone to a full-time entrepreneurial venture. Consider this. You have a passion for baking. With $1,000, you could invest in high-quality baking equipment and ingredients, start a small home bakery, and sell your delicious treats at local farmers markets or online. Or perhaps you're a tech-savvy individual. You could use that money to purchase necessary software and hardware to start a freelance web design or programming venture. The possibilities are endless. The key is to find something you're passionate about and then figure out a way to monetize it. Remember, every successful business started as an idea. With determination and a good idea, your side business could become your main source of income. Fourth on our list is improving your home. Now, you might be wondering, how much of a difference can $1,000 really make? Well, you'd be surprised. $1,000 can go a long way in making minor home improvements that not only enhance your living conditions, but also increase the overall value of your property. Consider painting a room or two with a fresh, modern color. Perhaps you could update your kitchen fixtures or invest in energy-efficient lighting. How about a new rug for the living room or some vibrant curtains to brighten up your space? And let's not forget the outside of your home. A well-tended garden or a spruced-up entryway can significantly boost your curb appeal. These are just a few affordable ideas to get your creative juices flowing. Remember, a well-maintained home is a valuable asset. So, why not invest a part of your $1,000 into making your space more comfortable and valuable? Next, consider investing in your education. In today's rapidly evolving world, continuous learning isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. It keeps your skills fresh and relevant and opens up new opportunities that weren't available yesterday. $1,000 could go a long way in funding an online course or certification. Imagine, for instance, learning digital marketing, coding, or graphic design. These are skills in high demand, and with the right dedication, you could transform that $1,000 into a thriving career. Perhaps you're more interested in personal development. Courses in communication, leadership, or even mindfulness could not only enrich you as a person, but also enhance your professional life. You could also explore academic courses from top universities around the world, right from the comfort of your home, thanks to platforms like Coursera or edX. Remember, knowledge is a tool that never depreciates. Investing in your education is investing in your future. Our seventh suggestion is to build an emergency fund. You see, life is full of surprises, and not all of them are pleasant. Your car might break down, you could face unexpected medical bills, or even lose your job. These are the moments when an emergency fund can be a lifesaver. Think of it as a financial safety net. It's money set aside to cover large, unexpected expenses. It provides a cushion that can keep you afloat when you're facing financial hardship, without having to rely on credit cards or loans. Not only does having an emergency fund provide a practical financial buffer, but it can also offer peace of mind. Knowing you have resources to fall back on in times of crisis can alleviate stress and help you navigate through unexpected events with more confidence. Remember, it's always good to be prepared. An emergency fund is not just a smart financial move, it's an investment in your future stability and peace of mind. Next on our list is donating to a charity of your choice. It's a remarkable way to turn your financial windfall into a waterfall of goodwill. You see, giving back to society offers a level of satisfaction that's hard to match. It's a unique opportunity to contribute to a cause you are passionate about, be it environmental conservation, education, health, or poverty alleviation. Every penny you donate can make a significant difference. $1,000 can fund a child's education for a year in some parts of the world, or provide clean water to a whole community. It's about making an impact, no matter how small it may seem. And remember, the benefits of giving are not one-sided. Indeed, it's a two-way street. The act of giving not only aids those in need, but also cultivates a sense of gratitude within you. It's a reminder of the blessings you have and the power you hold to change lives. So consider donating. Giving back is not only beneficial to others, but also enriches your life. Our ninth suggestion is to use it for travel. Journeying to new places is a captivating experience that broadens your horizons and enriches your spirit. It's an opportunity to immerse yourself in diverse cultures, sample exotic cuisines, and make unforgettable memories. And the best part? It doesn't have to break the bank. Consider budget-friendly travel destinations. Think about exploring the rugged beauty of the Grand Canyon or the vibrant culture of New Orleans. Or, if you're more of a beach person, the pristine shores of Key West, Florida are a sure bet. Travel also comes with the invaluable benefit of stepping outside your comfort zone. It challenges you, inspires you, and ultimately changes you. It's an investment in experiences, in knowledge, and in yourself. And remember, while $1,000 may not seem like much, it's more than enough to start an adventure. Because in the end, travel is the only thing you buy that makes you richer. Lastly, consider saving for your retirement. Now, I know it's easy to push retirement planning to the back of your mind. After all, it's not exactly an exciting topic, especially if you're in your 20s or 30s. But here's a little secret. The earlier you start saving, the less you'll have to worry about it later. So why is starting early so important? Enter the magical concept of compound interest. It's the engine that powers your retirement savings, turning your modest contributions into a comfortable nest egg. Here's how it works. Every dollar you save earns interest, but it doesn't stop there. The interest you earn also starts earning its own interest, and so on. This snowball effect allows your savings to grow exponentially over time. It's kind of like planting a seed that grows into a tree, which then starts producing its own seeds. Let's say you're 25 and you decide to put that $1,000 into a retirement account. If your investments earn an average annual return of 7% by the time you're 65, that $1,000 would have grown to over $14,000 without you having to lift a finger. Now imagine if you kept adding to it year after year, but what if you wait until you're 45 to start saving? Well, that same $1,000 would only grow to about $3,800 by the time you're 65. You'd have to save a lot more each year to catch up. So, even if retirement seems like a distant dream, take a step towards it today. Use part of your $1,000 to open a retirement account or contribute to an existing one. It might not seem like much now, but your future self will thank you. Remember, the earlier you start saving for retirement, the more comfortable your retirement years will be. That concludes our list of 10 things to do with $1,000. We've covered everything from paying off debts, investing in stocks, starting a side business, improving your home, investing in your education, building an emergency fund, donating to charity, traveling, to saving for retirement. Each presents an opportunity to make your money work harder for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more finance and property tips from House Lux Estate. Until next time, make your money work for you.